Everybody knows about this fact.
No, bhai.
Very sad news. Very sad news. And all the doctors, particularly, they are all protesting for this incident, and it should not have been happened. What I have learned is really a horror. So I also condemn this kind of heinous crime.
So it's a demand for security of the doctors in their workplace. So as a health minister in Tripura, what type of reform you are going to bring for
We'll
this?
see, because giving protection to each and every doctor is not possible.
At least in the workplace
That
hospitals.
we'll see. In Tripura, so very stray incidents we get.
Exactly.
So if it happens, then we'll think of it.
But it's a matter of concern.
If there is any law and order problem, so naturally that will be our concern.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.